Okay, good morning friends. Welcome to online classes, Political Science, first year English medium. Previous classes and yesterday we will discuss about chapter 5, Political Ideologies. Political Ideologies and some arguments, particularly biological argument, economical argument, and liberalism, neoliberalism, criticism. Okay, these are mainly we discussed yesterday class. Okay, now we will discuss and continue chapter 5, political ideologies. Chapter 5. Chapter 5, political ideologies. Political ideologies. Okay, student. Ideology. This is the particularly political concept. But here people ideology, political ideology, here different type of systems are there. So the some important of organisms like liberalism and neoliberalism, okay, and particularly Gandhism. We will already introduction. We will discuss introduction political ideology. Now the political ideology is now main part empirical argument. Okay, empirical argument. Yesterday we will discuss biological argument, social argument, and economical argument. Biological argument mainly Thomas Edwin and Thomas will discuss the argument of biological argument the about under the forest forest areas, birds and animals, particularly humans how to relation, how to the argument, how to their, okay, it is mainly follow the under the ideologies. Okay, so now we will discuss the empirical argument and next to criticism. Okay, so and next to conclusion. Empirical argument. We will discuss now topic empirical argument. Empirical argument. Empirical argument. Okay, empirical argument, criticism, and necessary evil restricts of liberty. Okay, empirical argument under the experience of the system, the whatever and whenever controlled by the political system and political industry, political system and industry, other characters. Okay, and it is the community type of system. Empirical argument mainly whatever the community type of system like political system and community. Okay, community type of system, characters of the and next to characters of the society, whatever, whenever, industrial system, and it is misbehavior of the under the capitalism and communism and necessary feelings, capitalism and communism. Okay, capitalist or capitalism theories, capitalism theories and communism theories. Communism theories mainly effect on the ethical or empirical argument. So the empirical argument mainly routine of the life, the routine of red types and whatever he tries to the concentrations of the society, concentration of the society. So this is mainly under the argument of empirical argument. Okay, yesterday we will discuss about biological argument, economical and social argument. Okay, economical argument mainly under the society, which is the main important of the characters of society, and economically income and expenditure will already we discussed yesterday class. Now empirical argument, this is the characteristic feelings and next like controlled by the industry, other sectors. Whenever a state, we will follow the under the political community, under the political community and character of the society, and next capitalism under the societies and communism. This is under the whole part of the empirical argument. Okay, the criticism is also necessary to evil. It is necessary to the evil of system. Next criticism. Next topic criticism. Criticism, it is necessary. Okay, necessary evil. Okay, this system, it is mainly necessary evil. Necessary evil. So the criticism, it is mainly necessary evil. It is mainly interference of the society, and it is so-called good life. The so-called the good life interference of societies. Okay, restricts of liberty. This is mainly restrict of liberty. Restrict of liberty. Necessary evil and restrict of liberty. It is mainly under the follow the criticism. Okay, so it is survival of the first misleading of society. Criticism, it is mainly survival of the first level of the society, and this is mainly promoted, and next the argument also mainly given of the under the empirical argument. Okay, so the criticism also mainly under the depend of the necessary evil, restrictions of liberty, and survival of the fittest of misleading of society, misleading of the societies, and moreover individual is extravagance. It is the extravagance, and engage of competition to each others, and it is wasted of producer, the producers needlessly without any reference, such as the needs of commodities, So this is mainly under the criticism. Necessary evil, restricted liberty. Necessary evil, restrict of the liberty. It is called under the criticism. Next, what is the main conclusion about empirical argument and criticism? Next, conclusion. The conclusion, okay, the conclusion about the empirical argument and the criticism, these are necessary to the every society, and it is conclusion say the individual groups extreme making, okay. Next it is the man power of the have society, man power of the society, happiness and must freedom, okay. We will mainly follow the more freedom, liberty, okay. And the certainty of the respect of maintenance, okay, to completely under the criticism and political ideology. So this is the under the conclusion about empirical argument and criticism. So this is the rest of society segregated the rest of society, and next it is completely total under the rest of society. It is mainly respect of each characters under the respect of the society, respect of the societies, particularly social needs, maintenance of the completely, it is mainly segregated, okay. It is mainly maintenance completely segregated of the society. So this is under the conclusion about empirical argument and criticism, necessary evil restricted of liberty. Next topic is liberalism introduction and meaning and definition. Next topic name is mainly liberalism, okay. Liberalism and neoliberalism, okay. Here two topics are there. Number one, next topic is liberalism. Liberalism introduction. Okay, liberal, mainly the liberalism, it is the under the characters of freedom and liberal and next to freedom, these are which words synonyms. Liberalism is the border of philosophy which include the individualization, alteration of welfare state of concept. Liberalism, it is the border of philosophy, border of philosophy. Border of philosophy, it is including of the society, border of philosophy and utilization of the welfare of concept, welfare of the state, power of the concept, individual a study of the system, okay, individual study of the system. It is mainly individual a study of the system, individual study of the system. It is mainly characteristic of the system. individual, a study of the system. So this is the rational structure. This is rational structure performing just to protector of the system. Reformed of the who is reformed of the system? J.S. Mill, one of the political ideology, the famous person J.S. Mill. J.S. Mill. Okay, the political ideology, one of the great political ideology. J.S. Mill, modern liberalism. J.S. Mill mainly about to explain on the liberalism. The liberalism it is mainly modern liberalism, announced by the J.S. Mill. Okay, so it is liberalism. It is the movement of J.S. Mill. It is modern type of movement. J.S. Mill stands for the between the two. J.S. Mill movement. It is stand for the two type of characters. Two types of the characters. So modern liberalism. First one liberalism. Second one is called modern liberalism. Modern liberalism and modern liberalism. Characters of the society and study of the system. Individual of a study of the system. J.S. Mill type. J.S. Mill system. It is modern liberalism and it is mainly different part of the particularly 19th century. Liberalism mainly started in which century? Particularly 19th. The 19th century. In this system, already more developed of the Western nations. So this is classical liberalism. Classical liberalism, J.S. Mill liberalism, and modern liberalism. Modern liberalism already developed of the century 19th century. So the liberalism it is there was transformation of the liberalism under the 20th century, 19th century to the 20th century, 20th century transformation of the other nations, 19th to 20th century. It is mainly transformation of the system and economically the liberal characters, economically more increasing of the liberal characters, and it is the LT other main political system, the political theory persons. It is mainly contemporary issues also following contemporary issues and the 20th century, half of the 20th century, this type of contemporary issues are more under the world of the half of the 20th century. So the securing of the designation, securing of the designation, next power, the power under the control by the liberal type of system. It is the modern liberalism. So these type of characters under the liberalism. Introduction of the liberalism. Next tomorrow we will discuss the meaning of the liberalism and definition. The definition of the liberalism we will discuss tomorrow class. Okay, students. Thank you.